First this evening, the stunning revelation of children in Jamaica being targeted by the operators on the dark web who lure the innocent into the world of human trafficking.
It's believed that some of the victims are as young as 12 years old.
The police say they have seen a trend and are asking parents to be more vigilant in protecting their children.
TVJ's Kalisha Williams is in Trelawney covering the Human Trafficking Conference and now reports.
It is called the Internet's dark underbelly, a place where criminals show off dirty deeds, recruiting victims, and children are their main targets. It's believed children are recruited because they are young enough to spend years in the trafficking ring. And in some instances, persons are filmed while they are being raped or even killed.
But just how easy is it to access the dark web? I'm going to do a random Google search, typing in dark web just to see what pops up. Clicking on the first link that comes up on the screen. It's now giving me a bunch of instructions. Some of it not quite clear. Seems like this could take a while. But according to DSP Carl Berry, some children right here in Jamaica are accessing this site, and they're doing so within minutes.
The kids have the skills, and they are willing to make mistakes. They are willing to do trial and errors, and whilst navigating the dark web, we do meet upon them.
Dr. Berry points to a conference he was speaking at in St. Anne recently, where the children told him they have been using the dark web for a long time.
And are they in fact communicating with some of these predators based on your investigation?
They are, and many of them don't know because the absolute anonymity that the dark web provides, because whereas the internet provides some anonymity, the dark web gives exclusive anonymity in that regard.
Which is why it's calling for parents to take immediate action and monitor all their children's online activity.
They keep this a secret from us most times, so it's through education and proper parenting. And this is where the school community gets a role. This is where all he who knows gets to tell.
The police have recorded more than 80 victims of human trafficking in Jamaica between 2010 and 2018. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.